Hi, it's Jen. As a caregiver, it's really important to prioritize your time wisely, to have things in order, to be able to maneuver and manage things at a moment's notice, right? So, for example, just the day-to-day tasks, you know, making sure that everything is running according to schedule, and also trying to get in and out of the house on time with your loved one to appointments. um, if you have children, managing them as well, right? If you need to go grocery shopping, can you do that with your loved one? Are there certain stores you can go to with your loved one and certain stores that are more challenging, right? Do you need someone to watch your loved one? And during that time, how much time do you have while someone is watching your loved one? And during that time, what is your priority, right? Is it to take a nap because you're tired? Or is it to go grocery shopping? Or is it to have alone time, right? So there's a lot of things that we need to manage and to organize during our caregiving experiences. So just wanted to shout out to all the caregivers and sending lots of love and big hugs during all of our ups and downs and all arounds.